Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a legal notice with LawDepot easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a legal notice with LawDepot, start by visiting the LawDepot website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar. Type legal notice into the search bar and press enter. You will be directed to the legal notice template page. Select the template that best fits your needs based on the options available. Click on the template to begin customizing it. You may be prompted to sign up or log in if you haven't already done so. Fill in the required information such as your name, address, and the recipient's details. Be sure to include the date of the notice. Next, outline the specific issues or concerns that warrant the notice. Use clear and concise language to describe the situation. If applicable, include any relevant dates or agreements related to the matter. After completing your draft, review the entire document for accuracy. Once satisfied, proceed to the next step to finalize your notice. You will have the option to download or print your legal notice. Select your preferred format, such as PDF or Word document. Save the document to your device or prepare it for printing. After printing, ensure that you send the notice via a method that confirms delivery. This could include certified mail or another trackable delivery service. Finally, retain a copy of the notice for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.